Danby i fyny tuag at Morris, mae'n disgyn i Declan Poole. Dan bwysa gan Wilson, y Poole yn gwneud y ddam. Ceisio mynd i Cei Connah, Cei Connah i chodi tuag at Michael Wilde. Cyfle i roi i Cei Connah. Mae Wilde yn plygu nôl, prif sgoriwr Cei Connah tymor yma. Ond efallai ddylse fo di gwneud tipyn gwell na nath o. Kennedy tuag at Taylor Fletcher, dy ddim yn cam sefyll ar y foli ar bediad da gan Danby. Cyfle gorau noson i Bangor. Yn erbyn llif i chwarae. Fyny tuag at Wilde, ôl beiniad tuag at Declan Poole. Wilde yn adennill y meddiant, Bacare dan bwysau gan Holmes. Cael troi ar y milwr cwrs Cosby, Bacare ar ergyd, hwn yma'n bell. Bacare yn cael troi ar y milwr cwrs Cosby a ergyd bwerus yn cael ei harbed yna gan Matthew Hall. Hewitt dros i ysgwydd chwilio am reidiad Rittenberg. Jake Phillips, rhy ar a deg, gyfle i Rittenberg. Mae'n chrymanu i draws. John Danby yn dyfraich dde yna, yn dod ar draws ac yn egwiroi o amgylch y postyn pella. Wilson, tuag at y postyn agosa, mae'n dod ar draws a mae'n gol! I'r tîm cartra, 6 munud o'r ail hanner di chwarae. Anthony Miley sy'n ei hawliau. Efalla fod sy'n dyddi ar grys coch Cei Connah. Pearson mlaen i Rob Hughes. Allan i Wignall. Wignall, cael ar draws Danny Holmes. Chwilio am gic o'r smotyn. Na, Meddeli Evans. Zama, tu cefn i Pearson, thynnu ar draws i Rittenberg. Tu mewn yma, Benbolita! Bron o gael ei gol gynta. Yn uwch yngre'r Cymru, rhediad da gan efo gan y lacau. Ond yr ergyd ddim marcio wirdeb gyda Danby. Fyny tuag at Owens, yr ôl beniad tuag at Wignall, mae'n disgyn i Wignall ar draws, mae'n dod, mae'n gyfle i Bangor, mae hôn o. Bron i Wilson, dim o'r ein tîm mewn, i rwyd i hun. Declan Poole, dim meddwl oedd y rhithrau mewn.
We wanted to come here tonight and make sure that we got back to winning ways, and we've managed to do that. Connah's Quay are obviously a strong team, very direct, so you have to deal with that first and foremost, the way in which they play. And I thought, I mean, there was a period at the beginning of the game where they put us under a lot of pressure, and you've got to weather that storm. And as the game went on, we just had to find a way of grinding it out. But we were really, really pleased with the effort of the players tonight, in the second half especially, where I thought at times we were excellent.
So disappointed with the final result, but so proud of the performance. That's probably one of our, if not our best performance of the season. We've dominated the game from start to finish, and it's taken an own goal to beat us, and that's hard to take. But I can't do anything but praise the lads for the performance. They were brave on the ball. We did everything that we wanted to do. We restricted them. I had countless opportunities to score, but nothing would fall for us. And give them fantastic credit for their defensive spirit to keep a clean sheet, because they threw themselves in front of everything. And we've had 7 or 8 chances really where balls are dropping in there, and it's gone out for a corner. They get one chance and it ricochets in. That happens in football. It can be a cruel game, but going away on reflection, I come to the game today and I'm not sure where I stand in this top 6, but I know we're the second best team in this top 6 now, behind TNS.
Obviously, it's hotting up now with the race for second and third place.
Yeah, it is, and I think that's what you want, isn't it? I think you want a tight league, you want a competitive league, and it's very tight at the top and the bottom, isn't it? And we're pleased to be where we are at the end of tonight. It was important that we won the game tonight. We believe we would win the game tonight, and we've managed to do it. So yeah, we're delighted, but it's important now we back it up next week. And this phase is all about consistency, and again, like I say, points over performance.